To understand acceleration, you must know that the direction of motion is determined by the direction of the velocity, or by the direction of the displacement, and they are therefore always in the same direction. If the velocity is east, then the displacement will also be east, and then the direction of motion will be east. If the displacement is west, the velocity will also be west, and then the direction of motion is west. While this motorcycle moves west, its velocity increases. The velocity can also decrease while it is moving west. In both cases, the velocity per time changed, and the motorcycle underwent an acceleration. Whether the movement becomes faster or becomes slower depends on what direction the motion is, together with the direction of acceleration. Only if the direction of motion and the acceleration are in the same direction will the movement become faster. If the direction of motion and the acceleration are in opposite directions, the movement will become slower. So, if the velocity is positive, the direction of motion is positive. If the acceleration is also in a positive direction, they are in the same direction, and the movement will become faster in the positive direction. Or, if the velocity is negative and the acceleration is also negative, the movement will also become faster, but now in the negative direction. If the velocity is positive, which means the direction of motion is positive, and the acceleration is in the negative direction, they are in opposite directions, and the movement will become slower in the positive direction. If the velocity is negative, the movement and displacement are also in the negative direction. If the acceleration then is in a positive direction, the movement will become slower in the negative direction, because the acceleration is in the opposite direction as the movement. If you grasp this concept, then you can do science.